Hello everyone, this is Pasties the Diamondlady. And this is our meat pie recipe. This is our own family twist on the meat pie recipe. We hope you enjoy our recipe. We don't mind sharing it with you, so we hope you share it with your family and friends. These are the ingredients we use in our meat pies: plain flour, self-raising flour, pinch of salt and allspice, pinch of sugar, pinch of turmeric, 100 grams cold butter, 2 tablespoons cold water, 1 tablespoon cold milk, minced beef, diced onions, diced carrots, oil, herbs, salt, spices, and 1 small beaten egg. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can choose not to add the sugar and the turmeric, and your meat pie will still taste very awesome. This is the method we use. We mix together all the dry ingredients, which includes the flour, the pinch of salt, a pinch of spices, and maybe a pinch of turmeric. Once you mix those together, add in there the diced cold butter. Mix it for it to resemble that of breadcrumbs. Then add your water and your milk bit by bit. Form it into one huge bowl. Wrap it up in a cling film and keep it in the fridge. Turn your oven on to 175 degrees and make sure you mix up the filling ready to fill this pastry up. Get your one huge ball out of the fridge, cut it into about 8 pieces, roll it out flat. Use the help of a round object or a plate or something to cut out the shapes you want to cut out. Once that is done, fill it up, and then the edges, just use a bit of water at the edges, close it up, press it down with the help of fork, use the fork to poke the top, and then use the egg to egg wash the top of the pie. Bake it in the oven for at least 35 to 40 minutes, and once that is ready, you're going to love it. Enjoy it with your malt, coke, milk, or eat it on its own. Thanks so much for listening to our audio.